Young Nails has the gold standard of bonder in the whole nail industry, Protein Bond. Now what I'm going to show you is not only the features and benefits of Protein Bond, I'm going to show you guys how to use it, when to use it, so that you can get the most out of all your enhancements you use in the salon. All right, so the best part about Protein Bond is its non-acid adhesion, right? There's no methacrylic acid inside. It literally applies and dries and leaves a tacky layer on the surface, right? So this is great because it acts like a double-sided sticky tape. It bonds to the keratin structure of your natural nail and it creates perfect adhesion with acrylic, with hard gel, with gel polish, and also on top of enhancements. Let me show you how you're gonna be able to use this so that you have no questions when you're using Protein Bond in any of your applications. All right, so I have a natural nail here. Let's pretend we're gonna prepare the natural nail for acrylic or a hard gel application, right? We're gonna build an enhancement on the natural nail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the shine from the surface of the natural nail and we're going to apply 2 coats of Protein Bond. So I'm always going to replicate pushing the cuticles back. I'm going to use an arbor band, right? I'm gonna use an arbor band to remove shine from the surface of the nail. You could choose to use a medium grit hand file to do the same thing. All right, so what I'm gonna do is gently come around the surface and lightly feather away the shine from corner to corner, okay? All right, so once I'm done removing shine around the perimeter of the nail and through the whole entire body, we don't want to leave any shiny spots. All right, and I'm just tickling, gentle pressure. We're going to use swipe to clean the surface of the nail, which is going to remove all the oils and contaminants from the surface of the natural nail. This is going to set us up for Protein Bond application. We are going to apply 2 coats to the surface. So what I usually do is I apply 1 coat on all 10 fingers, and then as soon as I am done doing the last coat on the 10th finger, I go back and I apply 1 more coat. All right? So as soon as I'm done doing the 10th finger again, I'm now ready for either my acrylic or my hard gel application. Let's assume we are preparing the natural nail for a gel polish application. There's multiple ways that you could apply Protein Bond to get superior adhesion, something that's going to last 3 to 4 weeks of wear, or you could apply something where you're gonna prevent the tip from chipping and make it a little bit easier for you to soak off. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the surface of the natural nail for gel polish application. Now there are many ways of doing it. You can take a buffer just to gently remove the shine. If you want really, really strong adhesion, my recommendation is to prep it the same way, use a medium grit file or an arbor band to remove shine from the surface of the nail. Creates texture, you're gonna have a much stronger bond. But let's just create a gentle bond. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a 180 sponge to remove shine from the surface. All right. If I want my gel polish to last, what I'm going to do is clean the surface and apply Protein Bond to the whole entire surface. With gel polish, I'm only going to need 1 coat. Let's say that we want our gel polishes to soak off a little bit easier, right? But we want to protect that free edge from chipping. What you can do is you can take your Protein Bond and apply it just to the very edge of the tip. So what this is going to do is going to anchor that gel down. It's going to make it a lot harder to soak off right here on the front end. But for those of you guys that depend on soaking, remember, apply Protein Bond only to the tip of the natural nail. Protein Bond works amazing for nail polish. If you want additional wear, laying down Protein Bond before your base coat is going to make a difference on the way that your nail polish lasts on your customer's natural nail. So what we're going to do again, I like to use a fine buffer, right, to remove shine from the surface of the nail. What we're going to do is take swipe. I'm going to clean that surface. I'm going to take Protein Bond and I'm going to apply one coat from cuticle to free edge. And this is going to set us up. Now, again, I like to go through all 10 fingers, and then as soon as I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin my nail polish application by applying a thin coat of base gel from cuticle to free edge. The Protein Bond is going to give it additional grip to the surface and again give you additional wear. Last but not least, what you want to use Protein Bond for is to make sure that your gel polish, your nail polish, or anything that you're putting on top of your enhancements, whether it's acrylic, whether it is your hard gel, or even your gel polish, laying down a coat of Protein Bond as your final coat to ensure that your top coats or your gel polishes don't chip from the surface. This is the ultimate insurance, right? So here, after the nail has been file and finished, right? Let's say that you go through, you file finish your nail. What I will always do is take a coat of Protein Bond over the surface of the enhancement, right? So again, it could be gel, it could be acrylic, it could be anything where you want to be able to ensure that your top coat or your gel polish isn't going to chip. This is absolutely perfect. So again, what I do is put the Protein Bond on the surface and I don't apply any gel base coat. I go directly to my gel color, right? This is going to ensure that none of the color is going to chip away from the surface. You're going to apply the same technique to all your top coats, right? And what this is going to do is ensure that you have the best adhesion. Protein Bond is the ultimate bonder when it comes to acrylic, when it comes to hard gel, when it comes to gel polish, nail polish, and putting any type of color or top coat on top of your enhancement. It is going to be your signature product to ensure that nothing lifts or chips.
Young Nails is committed to giving you the best nail education in the world. Check out more of our videos. Head right over here. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do that by clicking right over here.